Okay, one of the first things that we're going to try with Sparky, because he's a senior dog, is we're going to try to give him a little bit of stretching exercise, because older dogs will tend to get really achy in their joints and stiff in their joints. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take Sparky's paw right here at his arm and his wrist, and I'm going to flex his little foot up, not too hard, just a little bit, so it stretches the joint for about 15 seconds, and then release. And we'll do it 2 or 3 more times, just lightly. And then down. And we're going to do that for his back legs and both of his front legs. And that will just help him when we go for a walk, because then we're going to go on a walk right after that for 15 or 20 minutes.